Polkadot Price Prediction. The price for the Polkadot token soared in February along with the rest of the crypto market, gaining as much as 353% from the start of the year to touch the $42 level. That raised the question, will Polkadot reach $50 in 2021? Polkadot is gaining popularity as the project aims to decentralize the web by connecting blockchains and allowing them to interact, which will enable new applications like certain decentralized finance DeFi services. Following an initial coin offering in 2017, the DOT token launched in August 2020 at a price of $2.7. The DOT crypto price fluctuated between $3 and $5 for the rest of the year, and then climbed at the end of December from $5 level to $8 level as the crypto markets began to rally. The coin's value soared to an all-time high of $42.25 on February 20 and has been rather volatile ever since, trading between $30 to $37 into mid-March. So if you look at the forward chart, you can say Polkadot was indicative of the large jumps it has noticed in the crypto market. Although other alts also rallied, Polkadot's strong fundamentals have pushed it to new heights. DOT may see its price surge to the resistance at $41.39. So what is the reason? The Bollinger Bands diverged, and that means the market has already become volatile. The price has been pushing through the Bollinger Bands and the signal line remained under the candlesticks. The 50 simple moving average also tangled with the signal line under the candlesticks, suggesting the uptrend of the price. This increased volatility has pushed the digital asset close to the overbought zone. The RSI has been highlighting this trend, and although the asset has not breached above the overbought zone, it was close at 64. So the momentum is in bullish. We can see it from the MACD indicator. But keep in mind that a price swing can be happened because of the growing gap between the MACD line and the signal line. So what are the crucial levels? Entry level $39.59, take profit $41.20, stop level $38.28, risk to reward $2.69. So you can say the current market of Polkadot has been indicating a bullish push making its way in the market. The overly bullish market may flip the trend in the market. The bullishness may help the price presently but may lead to a strong correction. For more technical analysis, subscribe to my channel. Thank you everyone.